Hello students, welcome back in online education. Today we are going to learn about three-dimensional shapes. Students, do you know what are dimensions? Dimensions in mathematics are the measure of the size of distance of an object or region or space in one direction. In similar term, it is the measurement of the length, width and height of anything. Students, any objects of surroundings or space can be one dimensional, two dimensional and three dimensional. So let's see all one dimensional, two dimensional and three dimensional figures. Zero dimensional. A point is a zero dimensional object as it has no length, width or height. It has no size. It tells about the location only. For example, tiny dot. ओके, जीरो डायमेंशनल फिगर है वो कैसी होती है, उसको क्या नहीं होता, लेंथ विड्थ और हाइट नहीं होती. ऐसे जो शेप्स होते हैं उसे हम जीरो डायमेंशनल शेप्स कहते हैं. वन डायमेंशनल शेप्स. A line segment drawn on a surface is a one-dimensional object as it has only length and no width. में जो वन डायमेंशनल शेप्स होते हैं उनको क्या होती है, ओनली लेंथ होती है, विड्थ नहीं होती. ऐसे जो शेप्स होते हैं उसे हम क्या कहेंगे, वन डायमेंशनल शेप्स. फॉर एग्जांपल रे, लाइन सेगमेंट, लाइन. टू डायमेंशनल शेप्स. The two-dimensional shapes or objects in geometry are flat plane figures that have only two dimensions, length and width. Two-dimensional or 2D shapes do not have any thickness and can be measured in only two faces. Listen carefully, student. Yes, two-dimensional shapes don't have thickness, only they have length and width and टू फेसेस, ओनली टू फेसेस होते हैं. किसको, टू डायमेंशनल शेप्स को. ओके, फॉर एग्जांपल स्क्वायर, सर्कल, रेक्टेंगल, ट्रायंगल्स आर द टू डायमेंशनल ऑब्जेक्ट्स. थ्री डायमेंशनल ऑब्जेक्ट्स और शेप. In geometry, three-dimensional shapes are solid figures or objects or shapes that have three dimensions, length, width and height. Unlike two-dimensional shapes, three-dimensional shapes have thickness or depth. For example, cube or cuboid are examples of three-dimensional objects as they have length, width and height. जिस शेप को लेंथ, विड्थ और हाइट होती है वो सब शेप कैसे होते हैं, थ्री डायमेंशनल शेप्स होते हैं. ओके, लेट्स सी some examples of three-dimensional. So this is a brick. It's look like rectangle shape, but it has thickness or heights. That's why it is a three-dimensional object. Next example is our body. Our body is three-dimensional shapes, but our shadow is two-dimensional shapes. This shadow have only, yes, length and breadth, but our body have length, breadth and height. Next example is drawing of Ganpati and statue of Ganpati. Drawing of Ganpati is two-dimensional shape, so it has only length and breadth, and the Ganpati statue has length, breadth and height. That's why it is a three-dimensional shape. In this chapter, we will learn about rectangular prism, cubes, triangular prisms, cylinders, pyramids, cone and spheres. Rectangular prism has length, width, height, means it has थ्री डायमेंशनल शेप्स. यस, इसे इस शेप को लेंथ, विड्थ और हाइट है, मीन्स वो कौन से डायमेंशन में आता है, थ्री डायमेंशन शेप में आता है. स्टूडेंट्स, डू यू नो क्यूबॉइड इज ऑल्सो कॉल्ड रेक्टेंगुलर प्रिज्म और quadrangular prism. What is cuboid? All the faces of a cuboid are rectangular and its opposite faces are identical or congruent. So students, let's see parts of three-dimensional shapes: faces, edges and vertices. Flat surfaces are called faces. This rectangular figure has how many faces? Yes, 6 faces are there. Opposite faces of cuboid are identical, means same. How many pairs of that? Yes, first pair, then this is the second and this is the third. कितने pairs है? Identical के 3 pairs. So total number of faces are 6. When two flat surfaces meet at the line, it is called a edge. Okay, so tell me how many edges has cuboid? Yes, correct. Cuboid has total 12 edges. 4 upper side, 4 down side and 4 are there vertical sides. So total number of edges are 12. 3 or more faces meet in a point is called vertex. Yes, then students, tell me how many vertices are there? Yes, there are 8 vertices in a cuboid. Yes, upper side 4, lower side 4. So cuboid has 8 vertices. Okay, so let's see. Cuboid has 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. Let's see some example in our daily life. Matchbox, compass box and book. Next shape is cube. Yes, it look like as a cuboid. But cuboid rectangle होता है और cube square shape होता है. Okay, cube has 6 faces, 12 edges and 8 vertices. Okay, so it has length, breadth and height. But all sides are equal. All faces of a cube are identical. Means all जो faces होते हैं उसके वो कैसे होते हैं? Equal. Examples of cube. First, yes, dice. Second one is Rubik's cube. It look like a cube. Next shape is triangular prism. It has 2 triangular base. Triangular prism को 2 triangle shape base होते हैं. Okay, so it has how many faces? It has 5 faces, 9 edges and how many vertices? Yes, 6 vertices. Next shape is cylinder. आपके घर में जो स्टील के डिब्बे होते हैं वैसा ही उसका शेप होता है. Okay, so it has 2 base, means 2 flat circular faces and 1 curved face. So students, cylinder को 2 flat circular faces होते हैं और 1 curved face होता है. Means total faces are there 3. It has no vertex, means इसको vertex नहीं होता. And 2 circular edges. Okay. Next shape is pyramid. It's look like a pyramid buildings. ये buildings इजिप्ट में होते हैं. So it has 1 quadrilateral base. All triangular shapes are meet at one point. It is called apex of that pyramid. Name of pyramid is given from its base. If they are having quadrilateral base, so we can say quadrilateral pyramid. If they are having triangular base, so we can say triangular pyramid. Let's see quadrangular pyramid. So it has 1 quadrangular base and 4 identical triangular faces. Total faces are there 5. It has 4 edges at base and 4 vertical slanting edges. Total number of edges are there 8. It has 4 vertices at base and 1 vertex at top. So total number of vertex it has 5. Next is triangular pyramid. So it has 1 triangular base and 3 vertically faces. So total number of faces are there 4. It has 3 edges at base and 3 vertical edges. Total number edges are there 6. It has 3 vertices at base and 1 vertex at top. So it has total 4 vertices. Let's see some more pyramids, pentagonal and hexagonal. Let's see next shape. Yes, it's look like ice cream cone and birthday cap. Yes, it has circular base and 1 curved surface. So, it has total 2 faces. Cone has 1 circular edge and 1 vertex. Tip of cone is called apex. So students, cone has 1 curved surface, 1 circular edge and 1 vertex. Let's see next shape, sphere. It's look like a ball and laddu. बॉल कैसे होता है? सर्कुलर शेप में होता है. Sphere also look like in circular shape. It has 1 curved surface, no vertices and no edges. So students, with the help of this chart, you will solve practice set number 41 in your notebook. Thank you.